What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you installing a French drain all the way down the right side of this pool, all the way down the left side of this pool. We're going to go from over here where we installed the sprinkler system, where that pink flag is, all the way down to the corner to a mini dry well. Same thing here. We're going to be putting from where that pop-up is, which is going to be going down in the ground a little bit more, all the way down to the corner as well. So that way all the water facilitating off of this pool, we can run into the French drain and not go into the neighbor's yard. Well, now that we have it all dug out, as you can see, we're going to have it start here. It's going to go all the way down to this corner where we will now have the recharge / dry well. Everything goes. As you can see, the different levels. We have the dirt, the harder dirt, the clay, and then down here is the sand. Nice and sandy. So as soon as the water hits this, it's going to immediately dissipate and dissolve right into the ground. Starts back there, all the way down as well. All right, now we have everything filter cloth, the entire trench, all the way to the dry well. Dry well is completely filter clothed as well. We have it deeper than the French drain. As you saw in the video before, it is into the sand table a lot. As you can see, we even put a bunch of the sand up here to try to level this off, because you're going to be putting decorative stone up here, because you don't want to use all the French drain stone up here. It doesn't look as good as having actual decorative rock, and you want to try to build this up so that way you're not spending a ton of money on decorative rock by trying to build up 4 inches. Instead, you'll end up building like 1 or 2, which is exactly what you want. But everything here is filter clothed all the way to the trench. Now I got to put a little bit of rock in first before I put the pipe and get my level. All right, now we have rocked the bottom layer of it. We got about 4 or 5 inches of rock underneath. This way, when we put the pipe on, we'll get the level on top of the rock. With the water, as soon as it hits the trench at all, will all facilitate down here to the dry well. As you can see, it's the same way all the way from where we started. Everything slopes towards the dry well. Now to put the pipe in and rock over it. All right, here we go. Now everything is completely piped up. As you can see here, we have the level going extremely downhill. So as soon as the water facilitates off of this concrete at all, it will go straight into the French drain, all the way down here to the dry well. Right now we got Chris over here repairing the lines, so that way we can finish doing the sprinkler heads on the French drain. Same thing here, everything's going nicely all the way downhill towards the dry well. Now to just rock it all up, and then eventually the homeowner can put decorative rock on top. And here's another job well done by Stafford Park Drainage and Water Solutions, LLC. As you can see, we have the French drain complete. I have the filter cloth left over so it can fold over. The customer is eventually going to put some decorative stone all up on the top of all this, which is perfectly fine, because as long as it's exposed, the French drain can work at 100% efficiency. When you cover it up with dirt, mulch, anything else, the efficiency drops to like 70 to 60%. It still works, but it's a lot harder when water has to go through dirt or anything else to try to filtrate through to the dry well. This is how it is. Another job well done. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share these videos. Helps the channel out greatly. Till the next one.